Hi, Broadcast Graphics. I hope everyone's doing good. I miss you guys. I just wanted to go over some things that we're going to be doing for the remote learning and how this is going to work. Your assignments are going to be uploaded every Monday, and you'll have 2 a week. They will be due Friday by 3 p.m. Everything's going to be done through Schoology. So make sure you're checking Schoology every Monday to see what assignments you're supposed to do for that week. They'll be in a folder called Second Semester Folder Remote Learning. Every assignment will be in its own folder. In that folder will be all the materials you'll need, tutorials, outlines, the assignment, rubrics, all that. So again, make sure you're checking that. Make sure you know what folder you're in and which assignment you're working on. You're going to turn them in either through Schoology, but mostly through email. And it's really important that in the subject line of the email you put what I tell you to put, so that I know which one you're turning in. That's hugely important. That's the main thing. If you don't understand anything else, make sure you know what to put in the subject line of the email. Also, I'll be doing video tutorials on how to use the programs we're going to be using. In this class, you'll be using Google Docs, Google Photos, and Google Slides. And I'll have video tutorials in here to show you how to use them, and they will look like this. So first you'll see me talking, then you'll see my screen, and let's say you have an assignment where you're supposed to use Google Slides. I'll show you how to get in it, which just to show you real quick, you have to be logged into Google. Make sure you're logged in. Then you go to your Google Apps. Google Slides is found here, and once in there, you make a new blank one, and I'll show you how to set it up and do whatever it is that you have to do for that assignment. And if you need to do something in Google Photo, again, you'll be seeing my screen like this. Go under Google Apps and scroll down till you find Photos, and that's where that is. If the remote learning looks like it's got to go any longer than what we're doing, then there will be some online video projects you'll have to do, but again, I'll have tutorials just like this one to show you how to use everything. Also, I will be having video conferencing through Google Hangouts. If you're really struggling with something, if you have questions, if you just need to talk about something, you'll be able to do it through that Monday through Friday between 8:30 and 3. I will make myself available. All you have to do is shoot me an email saying, hey, I need to talk to you Wednesday at noon. Wednesday at noon, I'll send you an email that will invite you to the Google Hangout. It will call you through the email, and then we'll talk over video conference. And you'll be able to see my screen just like this, and I can walk you through any questions that you might have with the software or anything else, really. If it looks like the class is having a problem with something as a whole, more than a few students, I'll hold a big group video conference that everybody can jump on and watch me walk you through whatever you're struggling with. If you're unable to attend at that time, they're going to be recorded so you can go back and watch them later. I think that's about it for now, so make sure you're checking on Monday for your first assignment, and I hope everyone's having a really good break, and stay safe and healthy. Talk to you soon.